The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At approximately 6:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a large asteroid was detected by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and is expected to hit planet Earth. This asteroid will possibly end all life on Earth, creating a mass extinction. This asteroid is expected to impact the Earth in approximately 2 minutes. There is no point in evacuating. Gather with your friends and family and pray for your final moments. We will now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with the playing of the national anthem.